Storyboarding is a key part of your bid when it comes to writing. This is all about planning and being very smart with what we're doing. Okay, there's some steps you want to take. First of all, this is about reading, analysing and fully understanding the question. Also, before you start writing, think about any compliance matters that there may be. Think about matching your headings that you're going to be using and match the words that the buyer is using. Also, think about what evidence you're going to be putting into your response. Also, make it easier for the evaluators to assess your bid. Think about the detail you put in. As a bit of a suggestion, be thinking about who, how, what, when, why. Think about people, think about processes. Also think about the layout of your bid. Maybe even look at previous bids. Be smart with what you're doing, okay? You do not want to put generic information into your bid. This is about planning, it's being sensible, it's about putting the right level of detail in your bid, it's about helping the evaluator, it's essentially helping you maximize your chances of success.